Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. This is HP DSJ3762. I'm going to show you how to set up this printer for the first time. To set this printer up, you need to first of all press the Wi-Fi and the cancel button together to put this printer in a wireless mode. And when you do this, the printer will start to flash. You can see the on button is flashing, okay, just for 3 seconds, then you release, and see the on button is flashing now. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to go to HP Smart App. HP Smart App, download it on your computer. Okay, so this HP Smart App is already downloaded on my computer. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to select add. By the side, you select add / set up a printer. Okay, and it will start to look for available printer. It found the printer. Okay, so select on it. Now it's telling us time to connect and set up and manage your printer. Select continue. Now is access Wi-Fi for the following network. So what you need to do is you select. If you select continue, it will try to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, but I usually like to select no, thank you. This will allow me to put the Wi-Fi password by myself, so I'm going to select no, thank you. Okay, so now I give you option for you to put the password. Okay, so we have to put the password. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? I have the Wi-Fi password for here. This information, you get it from the back of your broadband router. The same Wi-Fi you use for your mobile, Android phone, or whichever phone you are using is the same. The same Wi-Fi details, okay, is what you're going to use. So now I'm going to put the password. Okay. When you put the password finish, then you select the I sign at the end for you to see. Okay, so select the I sign, okay, for you to see. Double check if the information you put is correct. If the information is correct, then you select connect. So what I'm doing now is checking the information to make sure that all the details are correct. Yeah, it's correct, because if you miss any of the details, it will not connect, I'm afraid. Okay, so now the next thing to do is we need to select connect. Select connect. Okay, and now printer is found. Okay, so the next is configuring the printer. Okay, you can see printer configured. Okay, so now it's joining network. Some printers, it will ask you to press flashing information, but in this case it's not asking that information. But we're just gonna wait for it to join network and finish the connection. But this now I can see it's telling us unable to connect the network. To try again. Sometimes you may need to do this again. Unable to connect, try again. Okay, so we need to select choose the network. So scroll down, okay, to select the correct network. Okay, and put the password. Yes, select connect. Okay, printer is found, so we're joining the network. Sometimes you may need to do this a couple of times for this to work. You can see network join and printer is connected to network. You can see So this is to show you now this printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Let's continue our guide setup. Okay, so select continue. So once you've done everything fine, it will show you that the printer is connected to network. So we're going to continue with the guide setup. Accept all. Okay, connected printing service, accept all. Now it's asking us about ink enrollment. I'm going to skip this offer. Okay, skip savings. Are you sure? Skip the offer. If you want to select ink service, then you go ahead. Okay, now it's asking us printer, adding the printer. Okay, so we need to add a code. Problem, complete this step to add your printer. So we need to select the pin number. Okay, so open up the printer. Okay, there is a pin number here we need to add. Okay, make sure the printer is connected to internet. Locate and code near. Okay, so this is the code here, so we're going to put the code. So the code, you will see the printer pin is what is here. Okay, so once you put the pin, you select add. You can also put the postcode where the printer is located. Okay, click continue. Okay, select auto update and select continue. Okay, so setup complete. Now print from other device. So you skip sending link. Now setup complete. Let's print. Select print. Okay, select print. And you can see the printer here, HP DG 3700 series. The document we printed, maybe perhaps sometimes I have a lot of printers here, so you need to make sure you select the correct printer, otherwise it will not print. Select print document, and you will see supported file, document file type. Click OK. Now it will take you for you to print document you have from documents or anywhere you save the document you want to print out. Okay, you scroll down to select the document. Okay, so this is the document I want to print. Select this document and select print. Now this document now we are printing out is 2 pages. Okay, so you can see page 1 to 2. This is the second page. Okay, this is the second page, 1 to 2. Okay, now to print this document out, we need to select, you decide if you want to print it in color or black and white. Okay, so first of all, you select the orientation. You have option for landscape or portrait. Select landscape, and also you need to make sure you select the correct printer, and the paper size is A4, and the next is paper type is plain paper. Output, you select quality, highest quality or normal. Then you select how many copies. Okay, then you scroll down, you will see duplex printing. If you want to print on one side, then you select print on one side. If you want to print on both sides, okay, with this printer you print on both sides, but you need to turn the document the other way around. Okay, so it will tell you how to print on both sides. So I'm going to show you how to print on both sides. Okay, then you scroll down and select page ranges. If a document you have is more than 11 or more than 2 or 4, okay, then you need to select page ranges. So you select particular pages you want to print. You can select print current page or print pages in range. If you want to print pages in range, maybe 1 to 4, then you select 1 to 4. Okay, but this document now is 2 pages, so I'm going to select print all pages and then select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, now to print the second page, Okay, so to print the second page, what you need to do is you need to put the document you want to print the other way around. Okay, so put the document you want to print, okay, and select. Once it's gone in, okay, because once the document, this document go in, you'll be able to print from the other side, and select continue. So you select continue. Okay, so this is the document we printed on both sides. You can see what it looks like. We printed this document on both sides. Okay, so you can actually print on both sides using your laptop. Printer now is set up. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed.